Welcome back. Have you ever thought about what would happen to your body if you ate two high quality dates every day for just 2 weeks? Did you know that dates have been used as a complete food for thousands of years? And even modern scientists recognize that including them in your diet can bring numerous health benefits. But if you only eat two pieces of dates daily for 2 weeks, what changes in your body might occur that would motivate you to continue eating them? Could what people say about the benefits of dates really be true? And given their sweetness and high carbohydrate content, could they be harmful to diabetics? Moreover, have you heard that eating dates can help pregnant women have an easier and more natural birthing process? Could this really be true? In this video, we will try to answer almost all questions and misconceptions about dates using science as our guide. So let's discover the benefits to the body if you develop the habit of eating dates every day. Number one, improves heart health. First of all, eating dates can improve heart health. When talking about heart health, most people might not instantly think of dates. But did you know that they are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that benefit our cardiovascular system? They contain certain flavonoids that improve blood flow in the body and also reduce inflammation in blood vessels, which results in a lower risk of many heart diseases. They also contain specific polyphenols that increase good cholesterol in the blood and decrease bad cholesterol, resulting in fewer cases of heart-related illnesses. Interestingly, dates are especially beneficial for diabetics and pre-diabetics with heart conditions. They are also high in potassium, a mineral that helps remove excess sodium from the body and maintains a healthy balance, thereby lowering blood pressure. Many people follow diets low in potassium or consume too much salty food, resulting in high sodium levels and elevated blood pressure. For them, eating dates regularly is highly helpful. When analyzed by weight, dates contain twice as much potassium as bananas. Additionally, they are rich in magnesium, which helps relax blood vessels, improve blood flow, and reduces the risk of heart attacks or strokes. Thanks to their magnesium content, the heartbeat remains regular, contributing to an overall healthy cardiovascular system. Number two, improves energy. Eating two pieces of dates can boost the body's energy, helping you stay strong throughout the day. If you feel weak in the afternoon or at any time of the day and are looking for something to eat or drink, it is better to eat two pieces of dates. They will provide a unique energy that you can't get from simple carbs or caffeine. Dates contain natural and unprocessed sugars such as glucose and fructose, which are quickly absorbed by the body and provide energy. Moreover, because they are rich in fiber, the absorption of sugar in the blood is slowed, resulting in a stable blood sugar level. No sudden spike or drop in blood sugar. This is also beneficial for people with blood sugar issues. Dates also contain potassium and B vitamins that help the cells of the body generate energy. If your digestion is weak, your body's energy is also low. But with the help of fiber in dates, digestion is improved, ensuring a steady supply of energy for the body. Dates can be eaten in various ways. Eat them whole, slice them up, and add to oatmeal or yogurt, or mix them into a smoothie as a natural sweetener. Number three, improves digestion. Eating dates daily helps improve digestion. Dates are an excellent natural food that supports the digestive system and helps solve problems like gas and constipation. They contain both soluble and insoluble fibers. Soluble fibers, when mixed with water, form a gel-like substance that softens the stools and makes it easier to pass. On the other hand, insoluble fibers are not soluble in water but add bulk to the stool, which results in better bowel movement. Dates also contain pectin, a type of prebiotic that serves as food for the beneficial bacteria in our gut. This improves the health of our gut and digestive system. It helps the body digest food faster and absorb nutrients better while reducing bad bacteria levels. Eating just two pieces of dates daily can help improve bowel movements and overall digestive health. Studies have also indicated that consuming dates regularly improves the frequency of bowel movements, making the digestive system work more efficiently. Number 4, improves brain health. Eating dates can improve brain health. Aside from protecting the heart, stomach, and skin, they are also good for the brain to enhance intelligence and sharpness. They contain several nutrients beneficial for brain health, such as vitamin B6, which is important for the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. This improves mood and enhances brain functions. By eating 2 dates, the body receives up to 15% of its daily requirement of vitamin B6. Dates are also rich in choline, a compound that improves memory and learning ability. Through this, the body also generates acetylcholine, a key neurotransmitter for brain health. Additionally, the high antioxidant content of dates help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain, which can lower the risk of cognitive decline as one ages. Eating just 2 pieces of dates daily helps maintain the good condition of your brain. Number 5, improves skin health. Eating 2 to 3 high quality dates daily may improve skin health if you want healthy looking skin naturally without side effects. Dates are rich in nutrients that help strengthen the skin from within. They contain antioxidants such as flavonoids and phenolic acids, which protect skin cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. We know that oxidative stress and inflammation cause skin damage and accelerate the aging process. Dates are also rich in vitamin B6, which helps reduce inflammation, decreasing red marks and acne on the face. Additionally, the dietary fibers in dates are beneficial for gut microbiome health. According to research, when your gut is healthy, your skin will also be healthy. By eating 2 dates daily, your skin receives vitamins and antioxidants as well as better gut health, which contributes to clearer skin. Number 6, lowers blood sugar levels. Although dates have natural sweetness, they are considered low glycemic food, meaning they do not cause sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. Due to their high fiber content, dates reduce the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing sudden increase or drops in blood sugar levels. Furthermore, the antioxidants in dates help neutralize free radicals and reduce inflammation, resulting in better insulin resistance and control of blood sugar levels. However, remember that dates contain natural sugar, so do not overconsume. With balanced eating, you can enjoy up to 2 dates daily. Number 7, aids in pregnancy. There are beliefs that eating dates a few weeks before giving birth helps with natural labor. According to a study on 69 women, those who consumed 6 dates daily for 4 weeks before delivery experienced a shorter first stage of labor, proper cervical dilation, and less need for induction. Another study conducted on 154 women showed similar results. Those who ate dates in their late pregnancy had easier and more natural deliveries. Dates contain magnesium, iron, and calcium, which are essential for healthy pregnancies. However, it is advised to consult a doctor if there are special conditions or restrictions that prevent date consumption to ensure safety. These are the 7 wonderful benefits of dates. Starting today, include dates in your daily meals. Alright, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to watch more. Have a nice day.